Now I'm going to be joined shortly by Simon Gould, who's going to explain to us what machine control is all about. But first of all, let's take a look at Komatsu and how they're using it for real. The Japanese manufacturer rolled out two intelligent machines at the show. The new D61 dozer and the prototype PC210 excavator have an automated control system from Topcon built in at the factory. On the dozer, it senses the machine's position and cuts the grade while detecting the load on the blade to automatically reduce the cut to prevent track slip.
The intelligent control system works through a series of Komatsu developed cylinder sensors and Komatsu developed monitor panel and software, and this accurately positions the bucket in relationship to the machine.
So Simon Gould, this Komatsu business is really pretty exciting technology, isn't it? This is what machine control is about.
It is, Alan, and it's exactly where the industry's going. I've got to say I'm really excited about some of the more integrated systems, how machine control and technology is really going to change the way the construction industry operates. Companies like Trimble have their Site Tech offering, Topcon have their Site Link offering, and it's all about communicating, the office communicating with the machines, machines communicating with machines, increasing productivity, increasing efficiency, increasing safety. It's just going to change the landscape completely. We had a chat to a number of the experts here, and we started with Ray O'Connor from Topcon.
Okay, let's see him.
Probably most exciting for us is the new SiteLink Enterprise software that connects every machine to the internet and allows you to communicate with the machines and with the office, send files from the office to the machine and manage all your productivity data. It's a major development. It's a major, people have talked about communications with the machines for many, many years, but this is really bringing the ability to communicate with the machine on the internet.
So I get it for the big guys, Simon, but what about the small contractors?
And they're a really important part of this sector. There are products available for them. Trimble have just launched a new one. We spoke to Ros Bjork about it.
This year at bauma we're showing the GCS Flex system, which is targeting the small to medium contractor so they can get into technology affordably and with not too many feature complexity, and the price point is under $10,000 US. It's a laser-based system, but they can upgrade all the way through GPS.
So technology is more than just machine control.
Absolutely, changing the way the construction industry operates. Great example of this is the heat scanner from MOBA, and we spoke to Bernard Marks about it.
The first step was that we provided a temperature bar with several sensors in order to find out what is the temperature from the laid down bar and to figure out where are the weak spots. But as soon as we installed the system, we found out on the site that the people said we do not like it because this is a barrier behind our screed, we don't like it. And so we sat together and said, what can we do? And so we ended up, for example, with a new temperature scanner, which is a way of the people, so the people can move behind the machine, they can go forward, backward, wherever they like, without any interruption of the work. And even so, you have always the best measurements as well.
So exciting stuff, Simon, but what about the future?
Really dynamic part of the market, Alan. I reckon it's best we let the experts explain.
We feel the connected site is the future of construction. We basically understand now the environment in 3 dimensions, X, Y, and Z. We can tell machines how to best cut and fill and optimize the earthworks process. We can also start telling everybody on the construction site how to better manage that construction project, especially when you start to build in time and cost.
So in the next 10 years, you're going to see, as the big equipment manufacturers deeply integrate, all the machines will have machine control. They'll all have either indicate or automated machine control with telematics. The big movement then comes in the software and how you take the data from the job site, connected machines to the internet, and how you change the workflow of the contractors and how they use that knowledge in order to operate their job sites more productively.
The future will be a full integrated system in order to reduce cost and cut cost and be more efficient for the whole machine, not just for a part of it.